Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the 5 best battery-powered weed eater, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. WORX 2-in-1 String Trimmer and Edger, 12-inch cutting width, cordless with dual 20V batteries. The WORX 2-in-1 String Trimmer and Edger offers versatile lawn care with a quick conversion feature for seamless trimming and edging. Powered by 2 included 20V max lithium batteries, it delivers a 7,600 RPM no-load speed and a 12-inch cutting diameter, ideal for precise, efficient yard maintenance. Its command feed system provides instant line feeding at the push of a button with free spools for life. The 90 degrees tilting head tackles slope terrain and hard-to-reach areas, while rubberized wheels guide the edger for straighter lines. An adjustable spacer guard protects plants and landscape features during use. Weighing just 5.3 pounds, this black and orange cordless tool is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Compatible with other WORX PowerShare tools, it's a smart battery-powered solution for clean, professional-looking results. Number 2. Black+Decker LST522 20V Max Cordless Trimmer/Edger, 2-in-1 versatility with extended runtime *. The Black+Decker LST522 Cordless Trimmer/Edger offers powerful, flexible lawn care with a 2-in-1 design that converts easily from trimmer to wheeled edger. Powered by a high-performance LBXR 2520 VMAX * lithium-ion battery, it delivers 66% more capacity than standard models for longer runtime and compatibility across the PowerShare system. Its AFS automatic feed spool ensures continuous line feeding without bumping, while power drive transmission boosts torque for cutting through thick grass and weeds. The 12-inch cutting width and 2-speed control let you choose between power and efficiency. Adjustable height and a soft grip handle provide comfort during extended use. Weighing just 5.7 pounds, this multicolored tool includes a charger, spool, and guard, making it a lightweight, user-friendly solution for precise trimming and clean edging around your yard. Number 3. MZK Cordless String Trimmer, 12-inch cutting width, 8,000 RPM motor, lightweight and user-friendly. The MZK Cordless String Trimmer delivers powerful performance with its upgraded 8,000 RPM motor, ensuring efficient cutting across a 12-inch diameter for broad lawn coverage. Designed for convenience, it features an automatic line feed system that eliminates manual adjustments during use. Weighing just 6.3 pounds, this black and red trimmer includes an ergonomic adjustable handle for comfortable, fatigue-free operation. It comes with 1 built-in spool and 4 additional replacements, enough for a full year of typical household lawn care. Compact and battery-powered, it's ideal for homeowners seeking reliable, low-maintenance trimming. Backed by responsive customer service, MZK ensures a smooth experience from setup to upkeep, making this trimmer a smart choice for clean edges and tidy yards. Number 4. Suntures 2-in-1 Cordless String Trimmer and Edger, 12-inch cutting width, dual battery, auto line feed. The Suntures cordless string trimmer combines trimming and edging in one versatile tool. With a simple head rotation and built-in wheel, it transforms into an edger for clean lawn borders. A spacer guard protects plants and garden features during use. Powered by 2 2.0 lithium-ion batteries, it delivers over 30 minutes of runtime, ideal for full yard maintenance. The 90 degrees adjustable cutting head and 180 degrees auxiliary handle offer ergonomic flexibility, making it easy to trim in tight or angled spaces. Its automatic line feed system ensures consistent rope length, while the protective cover enhances safety. Lightweight and easy to assemble, this green trimmer includes 8 extra coils for extended use. Backed by reliable support, Suntures is a smart solution for efficient, battery-powered lawn care. Number 5. Greenworks 40V Cordless String Trimmer, 12-inch cutting width, lightweight and maintenance-free. The Greenworks 40V Cordless String Trimmer delivers powerful performance for tackling tough grass and weeds. Featuring a 12-inch cutting path with a .065 auto feed line, it ensures quick, seamless line advancement during use. The variable speed trigger offers precise control, making it easy to trim around plants and landscape features. Weighing just 12 pounds, its ultra-lightweight design and ergonomic build reduce fatigue for extended use. With a push-button start and included 2.0Ah battery that recharges in 60 minutes, it's ready to go when you are. Operating quietly and efficiently, this trimmer eliminates the need for gas or oil, making it virtually maintenance-free and eco-friendly. Built for convenience and durability, it's a reliable choice for homeowners seeking clean cuts, quiet operation, and hassle-free lawn care.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.